Okay, this video example is on field tracking input. This ties to the field analysis process we've developed. This is where you get the information to input into the field analysis sheet. That would be the footages, the counts, and the punch list issues. So what I have here, as you can see, is a plan set. On to the left here are all my custom tool sets, which can all be imported off our L drive. Below here is the custom markup list that I've developed, along with the custom columns, which also can be downloaded from the L drive. So for this example, I'll do plumbing and fitting and some punch items. So let's go in here, and what we are going to track, we will open up the plumbing horizontal piping. We're going to track the installed waste and vent in this section. So we're going to walk in, and this is the area that has been installed. You can see it's now highlighted as installed. At the same time, we're going to pick up the plumbing hangers that are installed. Everything here is color coded, so yellow goes with yellow, blue goes with blue. We're going to grab the count tool, and we are going to count how many hangers have been installed. You also have these in risers. These are 8, 9, and 10 foot set increments. So we're going to say this is an 8-foot riser, and this one down here is a 10-foot riser. Okay, at the same time, we're going to track some fitting horizontal piping that is installed. We're going to say that this is heating hot water that has been installed, and we will bring it down to here. Again, we'll double click, and what you will see is the areas highlighted. We will come over and open up the fitting riser hanger miscellaneous, grab the color coded heating hot water tag, but actually this one we're going to grab the trapeze hanger tool. So the track is, these are traps, as you can see. So we're going to grab all the trapeze hangers that have been installed. Okay, so now we have tracked sanitary waste and vent, some risers and hangers, heating hot water, trapeze hangers. We do have some heating hot water risers. Let's say we've got an 8-foot here, and we have a 10-foot area over here. Okay, so that is those. Now let's see how it breaks out into our custom markup list. So what it does, it breaks it out by trade, by system. So here we have fitting, we have above ground heating hot water, trapeze, heating hot water drops, heating hot water drops. We have 24 feet, we have 4 hangers, we have an 8-foot drop and a 10-foot drop. Total links out up here. Plumbing, same way, it breaks it out in the trade by system and by count and length. So now at the same time, though, we are going to come in, and we are going, as we're walking, we're grabbing the punch list items. So you will see 3 punch list items up here. They're the only things in bright red, and that's because we want them to stand out. So I'm looking at the punch list items, and for this I see an issue here, and let's see, we got the fitting, and on the fitting one we've got an issue on, let's say, this area over here. Okay, so now let's go back and look at the summary sheet. Okay, now we have the trade still broken out, but what's been added is the fitting punch items. You got fitting punch right there and 1 plumbing punch right there. Okay, but what is that item? What's the issue with that item? You double click here. This is the custom status that's been set up. You will see there's plumbing items, dry items, and fitting items. This is the fitting. I'm calling this a hanger 1 issue. Hanger 1 issue is the alignment. The hanger's not aligned, not plumbed, doesn't look good. Let's go down here, and we will to see what this one is, and this is a floor drain top. It needs a cover. Okay, now you'll notice over here you have the count, you have the total punch hours, and you have the total, but it's all zeroed out. So when we come in here, we're looking at this issue, and this is the cover. It's going to take 1 hour to fix. Okay, this issue up here, the alignment, it's on the fitting. It's 3750. This has been defaulted into. It's going to be a little bit more of a pain, so we're going to go 2-hour fix there. Okay, now when you close that up, you come back, you can now see that dollars have been associated with these locations. There's 2 items here on the fitting, so it calculates 37 for 37 to 75. It adds it all up. Okay, so now it comes to bringing this information to completion. So at the end of the walk, for the punch list items, you're going to come down here and you're going to PDF, and you're going to create the punch list item for your foreman. It will generate the PDF summary, as it's doing now. And what it will do is it will spit out a PDF giving them the location on the drawings, where it is, and what needs to be fixed. This will also have the date on it, so you can track how long the item has been open. And you've done this all at the same time that you've done the tracking for the systems that have been installed. So if we close this up, there you have your issues. This is what's been installed. Here's your punch items, or your risers right there. Here are your plumbing categories, and here are your punch items. So it makes a very easy and simple and efficient way to track your system. This also can be, this whole summary sheet can also be Excel'd and summarized and spit out for Excel program. So just something else we're doing with Bluebeam, which is very important and ties to the analysis tracking. Thank you.